Well, hello and welcome back to day 2 of, for us anyway, of Monterey Car Week. We had a great time yesterday evening walking around the downtown Monterey, looking at the RM and other auction pre-shows, which
my birthday's coming up, so
yeah, Liz is making your list there. Fortunately today, here, show them your
oh, my wristband.
Yes, we have wristbands today though, so we can thanks to Mario, if you're watching this.
And Ole.
Yeah, if you can do much obliged that we're able to actually get into the auction lots today and kind of look around at the pre-shows there. Once we're done where we are currently, which is Weathertech Laguna Seca Raceway, for some of the historic, I think today being Thursday, is practice and qualifying. But we made it just in time to see some of the old IMSA GTP and Group C cars go running around, which is honestly, of the things that could be going around the track here, that's probably what I care about the most.
Well, Richard's pretty busy fanboying at this point because all the cars have started, so I think we'll pick you up in Monterey. After some fun walking around Laguna Seca for a while, we saw some pretty neat cars.
Yeah, there's lots of the old, I think we got the session we watched, which I had to like run off and take pictures of because I'm a nerd, was the IMSA GTP era prototype cars, which is probably my favorite race cars of all time. That's kind of what I grew up watching in the early 90s. So that was awesome to see those. And then we ended up walking around the paddock a little while and saw some interesting stuff in there too.
Melted. I tried. I held out as long as I could, but it was like 90 degrees and no shade.
She's a ginger, so you'll have to forgive her.
I tried really hard.
But
yeah. Now we're back in Monterey, and we are headed over to the how do I say it really southern?
I'm not gonna do it.
The Sotheby's auction with our new fancy wristbands.
Yeah,
so we get to go inside now.
Yeah, this is the pre-show for the auction. So we'll sit in there and see some of the stuff that's going to go. I think it's all being sold this weekend. I'm not sure about that. We're a little.
Well, I heard there were 5 days left in the auction.
We're bad at this game. We only sort of looked at the schedule for the days we were going to be here, so I don't know what the schedule for the rest of the week and weekend actually is or was. But
next year, we can come back and do the whole thing.
Well, this is our first year. Normal people go to Monterey learning experience, we'll call it. So we're gonna walk in there. We'll take you with us, of course, and show you some of what we find, and then we'll probably catch up with you later on this evening for
the Acura.
Yeah, we have an Acura soiree, I think it's been called, but which we won't be able to show you. Well, we will be able to show you, but not until after they tell us we can show you, because they're unveiling some stuff there. So that should be interesting, but stay tuned. So yeah, we're looking in here at the RM Sotheby's, and they have a full carbon fiber Pagani Huayra Roadster.
You know my birthday's coming up pretty soon now.
It is.
I want one of those.
So you know it's after your birthday, right? Christmas. Yeah. So while we're shopping.
Well, I could get rid of the GTI and spare a garage bay.
Yeah. See, that seems like a fair trade to me, I think. Alright, so when you bought your FXX, it came with all of this, which is a full driving suit, shoes, gear bag, Nomex underwear, as well as a few tools to maintain it. Alright, so we rejoin you walking back to our car to go back to our hotel to get ready for this evening's festivities after touring around inside the RM Auctions pre-show, which was amazing.
It was, and thank you to Ole, Mario, and Peter Cunningham for getting us in there. And
Yep.
you know, I think my birthday and Christmas lists are full.
They're taken care of at this point?
I think they're taken care of, so you've
All
got
right.
my list.
Yeah, so on a side note, I'll be stopping on the way home to get a couple of lottery tickets because I don't know that one Powerball hit would actually cover it at this point.
Well, maybe not the whole Ming collection.
Yeah, that was actually pretty amazing. That was a whole bunch of Ferraris, including an entire I don't know what you call that, FXX package, because you have the car plus all the tools and things, which was that was kind of neat to see. I've seen one of those before up in our La Bella Macchina event back in the day at Pocono, but I don't think I've seen one since then. So that was kind of neat to see the whole shebang right there together. But
Yeah. So if you don't want to do the Ming collection, I think the Pagani would do.
that would do. Okay,
Yeah,
well, good. I'm
yeah.
such a cheap date. So anyway, yeah. So we're gonna get going.
We got to get ready for tonight and
Yeah.
be fancy for Acura.
I look forward to seeing what all they have to talk about there and all the mystery reveal that they have planned. Super curious about that. But we've got to cross a road here in a moment, so we're gonna put you down. But we'll probably rejoin you. Maybe not face to face, but with some photos and video walkarounds this evening.